Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Prawn Ambot Tik, a classic Goan prawn curry known for its bold, tangy, spicy and vibrant color. This traditional Goan recipe gets its signature taste from Kashmiri red chillies, tamarind, kokum and freshly ground spices, creating that perfect balance of ambot, which is sour, and tik, which is spicy, that Goan food lovers instantly recognize. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Prawn Ambot Tik. This delicious Goan dish is all about clean, sharp flavors, juicy prawns cooked briefly in spicy, tangy curry made with homemade prawn stock, aromatic spices, and carefully ground curry paste. If you enjoy traditional Goan cuisine, seafood recipes, and honest home cooking with real flavors, this is a recipe you'll definitely want to try. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Prawn Ambot Tik. Step 1. Marinating the prawns. We have taken around 500 grams of fresh prawns. Wash, clean and devein them properly. To learn how to clean prawns, refer to step 1 of our prawn bal chow recipe. The link is provided in the description box. Save the prawn shells and heads to prepare prawn stock. Discard the prawn vein, which is the black thread in the prawns. After cleaning, place the prawns in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Apply everything nicely. Marinated prawns are ready. Cover and keep aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the prawn stock. On medium heat, put 2 1/4 cups of water along with the prawn shells and heads in a pan. Boil it for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir it occasionally. The prawn shells and heads will turn orange in color once they start boiling. After you have boiled them for 8 to 10 minutes, turn off the heat. Once done, strain the prawn stock. Press and extract maximum quantity of prawn stock. We got around 2 cups of 500 ml of prawn stock. Our prawn stock is ready. Step 3. Preparing the ingredients. For the curry paste, take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in half cup or 125 ml of warm water. Take 8 Kashmiri red chillies. You can use 6 Kashmiri red chillies if you don't want it too spicy. Break the red chillies into smaller pieces and discard the fallen seeds. You will also need half-inch piece of ginger. Cut the ginger into smaller pieces. 5 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the garlic into smaller pieces. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 10 black peppercorns. 5 cloves. 1-inch stick of cinnamon. Break the cinnamon sticks into smaller pieces. For the cooking, you will need 2 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. 1 medium-sized green chilli. Cut it into 2 and then slit them. 3 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Lightly crush them. 5 pieces of kokum or Garcinia indica. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. Step 4. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer grinder, add the tamarind with water, Kashmiri red chilli pieces, garlic pieces, ginger pieces, cinnamon sticks, cumin or jeera seeds, cloves, black peppercorns. Grind to a fine paste. We added 1/4 cup or 60 ml of water while grinding. Add the ground paste in a bowl. Curry paste is ready. Use quarter cup or 60 ml of water to remove the paste left in the mixer and save the rinsed curry water in a separate bowl. Step 5. Preparing the Prawn Ambot Tik curry. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Stir them properly. Cook the onions until they become slightly golden brown in color. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, add the curry paste. Stir everything properly. Cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning. After around 4 to 5 minutes, add the rinsed curry water.
Hello everyone, do check out our new channel Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. The link for the channel is provided in the comments and description box, or simply comment Get Cooking Global and we will send you the link.
Add 1 cup or 250 ml of prawn stock. Mix everything properly. Add another 1 cup or 250 ml of prawn stock. If you are not preparing the prawn stock, then just add 2 cups of water instead of the stock. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add the kokum. Now add the crushed garlic. Cook for around 8 minutes, bringing the curry to a nice boil. Cooking the curry will remove the raw taste of the chili paste. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. We added around quarter cup or 60 ml of water. After around 8 minutes, when the curry is boiling, add the marinated prawns. Cook the prawns only for around 5 minutes or they will become chewy or rubbery. Add the slit green chilli. Stir everything properly. After some time, check for salt and add if required. We added half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything nicely. After around 5 minutes, when the curry is boiling, put the heat off. Serve the prawn ambot tik hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti. Delicious prawn ambot tik is ready. Do share this recipe with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.